You'll soon be able to use Alexa to control your smart oven or microwave. We've seen Alexa integration make its way to a number of smart devices already. Modern examples include connected cameras, lights, TVs, speakers and even thermostats, but Amazon isn't stopping there. According to the online retail giant, the company will be introducing cooking capabilities to Alexa's Smart Home Skill API. That means Alexa developers will now be able to integrate the smart assistant into their own connected microwaves and conventional ovens, though support for the latter won't be arriving for a while yet. This functionality will initially only be available to US-based developers, but Amazon will be bringing the API to other parts of the world soon. According to Amazon, some developers have already begun to leverage Alexa into their products. Whirlpool has developed an Alexa skill for its line of connected microwaves, which will allow users to configure, start and operate their devices entirely hands-free. Appliances, Kenmore, LG and Samsung are also developing Alexa skills for their own respective lines of smart appliances. To emphasize their commitment to ushering in their vision of the future of home appliances, Amazon's venture capital arm, Alexa Fund, has invested in June Life, the creators of the world's only intelligent convection oven, the June Oven. The connected oven boasts an impressive array of features, but it's perhaps best known for its integrated HD cameras, which allow the oven to detect the type of food you're cooking and select the appropriate cooking time and temperature automatically. We're excited to take the next step in our work with Amazon through the Alexa Fund investment and to offer our customers even more engaging experiences with their June ovens, said Matt Horn, CEO of June Life. This next development in Smart Home Skill API support for ovens will enable our owners to give shorter, simpler commands to their June ovens and receive updates on